name is Deborah and I'm an occupational therapist. I'm going to be talking about the Configura Comfort, which is part of our Configura seating range. The purpose of the Configura seating range is that you can adapt the chair according to a person's needs by changing the size, the pressure and the posture within the existing chair. This allows you to make changes very quickly and cost effectively depending on the person's needs. For example, if a person has a progressive condition, initially they may start to struggle with their standing transfer. The riser function will assist them with that. They'll have a medium to high pressure relief cushion built in and a waterfall backrest. However, as their condition deteriorates and they require more support, we can make changes to the chair. For example, we can remove the waterfall backrest and change it to a lateral support backrest. We can take out the foam pressure relief cushion and put in an air cushion. This allows the chair to meet the person's needs for a longer period of time. In addition, the size can be adapted, which can be helpful if the chair is to be used for another person at another time. This has 4 buttons on the handset. The first button is used to elevate the legs. As the legs are elevated, the seat and the backrest go into a tilt and space movement, so the angle between the seat base and the backrest remain the same. In order to be able to go into tilt and space, the person needs to be able to extend fully at the legs. So if they do have tight hamstrings, this is not going to be suitable for them. Another consideration is that if a person needs to have their legs fully elevated but cannot tolerate tilt and space function, this won't work for them either. I am now pressing this button, which will bring me back into a neutral position. If I continue to press it beyond neutral, the chair will start to come into a rise position. This Configura Comfort can be set at 3 different rise positions. You can have a standard rise, which is what we're going to be seeing here, a medium rise, which is not as substantial but will still bring the person up into a standing position. And on the medium and the large Configura Comfort, we can also use what's called a flat rise. So the seat raises at the same angle, and this can be very helpful for those that may need to extend fully at the legs in order to then stand from the chair. If I bring the back chair back into neutral, I will then show you what the bottom 2 buttons are for. They are for the backrest function, and they can be used at any time. At this point, I can just bring the backrest angle and back, or I can use this button to bring the backrest back up again. If you'd like to see further information on how these adjustments can be made, please refer to our videos.